Hey guys, how to download the best apps for video production like a pro. So open the App Store, right, and search for terms like video editing, like AI Video Maker, or specific app names like InShot or CapCut, right, or Adobe Premiere, Premiere Rush. Okay, and these apps allows you to generate to shoot, edit, and share your videos across multiple platforms. If you want to see a couple like snapshot or snippets, you're gonna be able to see it right here. I advise you to use CapCut for selfish reasons, but you can go and use CapCut for that matter. It's for free, right? And start with, for the free versions, let's have an example, CapCut. Start with the free versions before upgrading to premium features. In my case, I upgraded to Pro, so I have access to all their features like the effects, the filters, all the way to 3D photos or videos, right? Or the AI, the AI 3D photos, filters or whatever, AI filters or AI 3D generator. Okay, and you can leverage their AI features, especially from CapCut. You can use the product photos, right? AI poster, AI model, auto captions, teleprompter, or image enhancement, or even use the background remover. So you can remove your own background using AI. Okay, and make sure to pick apps with frequent updates, right, for the latest version. Make sure that you update it. Okay, so download your favorite video apps now and edit like a pro. That's another comment. If this video helped you, do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.